In this repair video, we're going to continue working on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus that was previously mailed in to us for no power. The phone was mailed in from Kentucky. We already started working on that repair, and we have a video up on our channel that you can check out. I'm going to call it part 1, and today's video I'm going to call it part 2. So in part 1 of the repair, we inspected the phone under a thermal cam and found where the problem is coming from. It's a short on one of the ICs on the motherboard. We went ahead and ordered those ICs. We ordered a large batch of them in case we have a similar problem in the future, and we're going to be selling them on our site as well. And today we're going to replace the chip to see if we are able to get this phone to work again. Let's take a look. And let's take a look at the area that we worked on last time. So we need to replace this chip here. We already took the chip out. We're going to clean the solder balls and solder a new chip on. The first thing I want to do is clean up this area, clean all the solder balls. I'm going to use hot tweezers to desolder those solder balls. I'll use this one here, it's a bigger one. We should be good. I mean, this is a very, very tight area. Just want to make sure we do not have any bulging solder balls. We have a customer, just a moment.
Like this screen that isn't working.
Now we are ready to solder the new chip. And pin number 1 should be on the top right. Okay, and we're gonna test. We're gonna plug the screen. We're gonna plug the battery. And let's test. The phone is working. Awesome, awesome. The phone turned on and it's working. We have to put the back cover in order for the charging to work properly, but the phone did turn on and it's working. Changing the chip did fix the problem. We need to put everything back together in order for the phone to charge. So I'll take a few minutes to do that. I'm glad this worked out. The customer was a little bit impatient, but what can you do? I'll be back. I put the phone back except for the back cover. I still have to glue it. As you can see, it's still open. Let's go ahead and test it. And plug the USB-C cable and meter. And right there, the phone is charging. And what I want to do also is I want to try to charge it wirelessly and see if everything is good. Okay. So I have this wireless charger here, and this is our amp meter. And let's put the phone on it to make sure it charges wirelessly. And look at the amp meter. Great. Let's wait a bit. Awesome, awesome, it's charging. So everything is good. Right there. As you recall, the phone came in for no power. We did part 1. We discovered that the chip is the problem. We got the chip, we replaced the chip today, and everything is good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.